unleashing courage, understanding, muster up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're diving into the phrase that's all about gathering courage, muster up. Whether you're preparing for a big interview or about to give a speech, knowing how to muster up courage is key. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned to master another piece of the English language puzzle. Muster up is a phrase that evokes a sense of gathering or summoning strength or courage. It's not just about having courage. It's about actively bringing it forward when you need it. Think of it as calling upon your inner resources to face a challenge. It's often used in situations where you need to overcome fear or hesitation. To truly grasp the phrase, it helps to know where it comes from. Muster originally refers to assembling troops for inspection or preparation for battle. It's about preparation and readiness. Over time, muster has evolved beyond the military context and is now a metaphor for preparing oneself mentally for any challenge. Let's see muster up in action with some examples. Before the competition, the athlete had to muster up the courage to face his strong opponent. I had to muster up the confidence to speak in front of the large audience. She mustered up the energy to finish her project before the deadline. Notice how muster up is often followed by the quality one needs to summon, like courage, confidence, or energy. When you use muster up, remember that it's typically about a temporary effort. You're not always in a state of high energy or courage, but you can muster up these qualities when the moment calls for it. Also, muster up is a phrase that's both versatile and powerful. Use it when you want to emphasize the effort and determination it takes to prepare oneself emotionally or mentally for something challenging. While muster up is fairly straightforward, it's important not to confuse it with simply muster, which can also mean to gather but is less specific about the internal effort involved. For instance, saying, "He mustered for the meeting," doesn't convey the same meaning as, "He mustered up the courage for the meeting." And that's a wrap on muster up. Remember, mustering up is all about bringing forth that extra bit of bravery or stamina when you need it most. We hope you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, keep mustering up that enthusiasm for learning English. Goodbye, and take care.